Aquapur is the world's first AI water dispenser. With instant heating technology, water in the tank is heated as it passes through the instant heat tube. It provides water from room temperature, 45, 75, and 90 degrees Celsius. A wonderful day starts from your first glass of warm water. Aquapur is no ordinary dispenser. It can fill your cup with water at the exact volume and temperature you want. The secret lies in the ID tag, which saves all the information at the bottom of your cup. It will fit any cup or bottle, no matter if it's a glass, thermal bottle, coffee mug, milk bottle, or even a teacup. The Aquapur app reminds you to drink, even when you have forgotten to stay hydrated. Aquapur provides the quality water with 2 factors purification. The 7 layers carbon filter will filter any harmful chemical and heavy metal poured into the tank. Additionally, the UVC system will keep the water fresh, so the water is always safe and tasty. When it's dark at night and you are feeling thirsty, just lay your cup on Aquapur. A dozing light will turn on so you won't miss. Aquapur will do all the rest. The world's first AI water dispenser. Support us today and receive your own Aquapur.